Hello, I'm Jacob.
Hello, I'm Andy. This is the Know Your Rights PSA. In this video, we will go over everything you need to know about being stopped by the police, your rights as a student, and your rights as an immigrant. But before we get into these topics, what are rights and why should you know them? Generally, rights are just your principles of freedom that we all gain as equal citizens of the United States. Commonly, officials such as the police will try to take advantage of your lack of knowledge of rights and violate your rights.
In this video, you will hear the term amendments come up many times. These amendments come up from the Bill of Rights, which came into effect back in 1791.
For our first topic, the first thing you should know if you're stopped by the police is that you have the right to remain silent and the right to deny any unwanted searches. This is due to the rights of the Fourth Amendment and the Fifth Amendment. The Fourth Amendment being that you have the right to deny any unwanted searches, and the Fifth Amendment being that you have the right to remain silent. So if the police ask you a question, you can stay silent if you want to, and do not let the police search you unless they have a search warrant.
What should you do if you're being stopped by the police? First, stay calm and don't run. Keep your hands where the police can see them and do not give any false documents. If your rights are being violated, try to write down anything you can remember, which includes your badge number, patrol car number, and the agency they work for. For our second topic, we are talking about student rights. What are your student rights? Well, your student rights include the First Amendment, which means that you have the right to speak out and express yourself. You also have the Fourth Amendment, which is the right to deny any unwanted searches or seizures. And you have the Fifth Amendment, which is the right to stay silent. An example of a student's rights being violated was when TLO, a student in New Jersey, was not told her rights to remain silent and leaked information she would have told otherwise. She was also unreasonably searched. If any of these rights are violated or infringed upon, you should file a complaint to the ORC, Office of Civil Rights, and write down anything you can remember of the encounter.
For our final topic, immigrant rights, we will again go over what your rights are as an immigrant, where they come from, and what to do if your rights are violated as an immigrant. As an immigrant, you actually have the rights of all of the amendments. This means you have the right to remain silent, the right to protect yourself from being searched, and much more. These rights come from the Bill of Rights in which the Constitution put in effect in 1791.
If your rights are violated as an immigrant, there are multiple places where you can file a complaint at. For example, online, you can file a report on the Civil Rights Divisions. If your rights are violated, as always, remember and write down any information such as what happened, who it was, what they work for, and what any important information. To this day, there's not much education around your rights as a citizen. Many cases of officials taking advantage of citizens' lack of knowledge of rights still happen to this very day because of this.
As equal citizens of the United States, let's all spread the knowledge of our rights so cases like New Jersey versus TOO will stop happening. All of our sources will be cited in the description. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.